Hello. Good morning, y'all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So today is Monday, June. Today's the 5th, right? Right? Right. I'm making sure. So yeah, June 5th. So today we'll be doing some live trade. For some reason, I don't know why, it seems like my internet is lagging. Let me see. Um, where is it? Where it shows the speed? It shows that everything is fine, so I don't know why it's lagging. Alright, let me see. For this, I wanted to see it come down lower. So for this pair, we have Euro USD. I would love to get a buy opportunity on Euro USD. So I'll be looking at that, but it's not ready as yet. Not trading gold, not trading US 30, not Bitcoin. AUUSD. I was interested in AUUSD, but what changed my interest? Everything seems to be fine. 12-hour. I just don't like the area that it's at right now. It's too high for me. That is really too high. So AUUSD, I'm not gonna trade it because we're not in a fib discounted level. Why it seems like I'm going the wrong way again. And NZD USD, it is not aligned the way I want it to be aligned as of yet, so we're not looking at that. This one, which is Euro CHF, I'm looking at Euro CHF to get a trade in. What's going on with my YouTube? What is it saying, man? I hope you guys could see me because it's telling me that I have an error. So I don't know, what does that mean? I don't know. I should have a good connection, so I don't know why it keeps on messing up. I should have a good connection. Where's my mouse? So Euro CHF and GBP USD. GBP USD. This one is a brain teaser. Like honestly, I'm looking for a buy on it. I'm really looking for a buy. But we're playing inside of this fair value gap from last week. We respect the higher time frame fair value gap. So it's like honestly for me we're still bullish. We're still bullish. We failed to break this low, so that's good. We fail. Let me check. Check. everything is good. 45. Ooh, we didn't create a higher low right there. But I had a fib from this low to this high right there. Respect that fib. That's good. It's just that I know my Wi-Fi is lagging, so it's really hard for me to explain. But I'm gonna try my best, man. All right, let's go to this 1 hour. It seems like on GBP USD, it would be like a breakout trade because where price is at right now, it's not ideally where I would like to get in. So I'd have to do a breakout, break off the high. I'm not even trying to rush it. Just trust the process, man. So quick disclaimer, I do not trade Elliott Wave. On Twitter, the AI stated that I'm trading Elliott Wave. I don't know what is Elliott Wave. This is my system, Foreign FX Liquidity Wave. So, see, I messed up. So basically what I do is I mark out, number my swing points so I know where I am within price. So you see I'm marking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are my 5 major swing legs that I'm looking for. Like honestly, from last week I had marked this out, but when I was doing my reanalyzing, I saw that we're realistically within a bearish transition right now, but the overall trend is bullish. 4 hour to 12 hour is bullish, so I don't want to go against that narrative where we have a majority of the time frames bullish. Why would I go bearish? So now I'm putting back my markouts so you could have a understanding of what's going on. So yeah, bum ba bum bum. All right, so we respect this. It actually, where you see I have IFG, that's basically a bullish fair value gap, but because we respected it, are currently respecting it, is now a bearish fair value gap. But we didn't do a strong breakaway, so it could still use as a bullish fair value gap in my eyes. So right here we inverse this bullish fair value gap right there. So right now we're on the 45-minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We did that 6, which is the break. I was hoping we would maintain above, but we didn't. So I mean, this is not completely ready, but I should, like, I don't know, I don't think I want to wait for it to break the high again, because it doesn't make no sense to me. But I know my stop is not the best right now. See, so my stop is not the best right now. I honestly should be covering that wick as well. That wick should be covering GBP USD. So let's look for it. GBP USD. This is a pair that I wanted to trade from. yes, last week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're not supposed to create a higher low, so this should be valid. 15. We did create a higher low. It's just that it's a high buy. I'm not trying to buy into it that high. I should have gotten in down there. Decision. So what I might do is we're on the 15, so I might wait for the 15 to inverse this. So right now on the 15 we have change of character, and the 15 changing from slightly that downtrend that we was in, and right now we're about to break the high, so it would be a break of structure. So this trade could be a breakout like what I said before, but I want to catch the move. So I'm thinking if I should just let it break, come back, or should I just enter on it. I know my stop is not at the best area. We have that fair value gap below where we could retest that fair value gap. So I'm not even gonna rush. I'm just gonna wait. It's 9:13 right now, so it's good. New York session starts at 9:30. So patient. So we're just gonna set a alert and let it do its thing and move on to something else. So 15-minute break of structure. So that's what we're waiting for. We're waiting for that high to be broken, so we don't have to look at that. Ugh, this NZD cat is playing with my emotion, man. But NZD CAD, we're about to have that change of character. Like majority of these pairs, I'm bullish on them. I'm looking for buy. I'm just waiting for the right opportunity. This one looks like it's a dub, so we're not gonna focus on that. GJ has just been crazy. This I could remove this. So on GJ I only got stopped out once, so that's not really relevant. So last week I took a L on GJ. Yep, part of the game. Part of the game, man. I'm not even good. I was gonna put it to the 1 to 5 that I was going for, would go for, but honestly I was going for a 1 to 6 on GJ, but I got stopped out. So today I saw this. Like honestly on GJ we're ranging on GJ, so I don't really want to trade GJ, but we didn't take a lot of liquidity, but we have liquidity swept. So that trend line liquidity swept right there, and right here, or we could even go lower, but right here we had that change of character within this bearish leg that was going on. So we have that change of character, and we came back and we respect that fib. Beautiful. But for me, I want to see price break the high before I even think to enter buy on GJ, because I know we're ranging, and a part of me believe we want to go down a little bit, so I'm not even rushing GJ. See, the yen basket is still ranging, so that means GJ is ranging as well. Euro USD. On Euro USD, I wanted to see price come down a little bit lower because we're not in a fib zone as of yet. So that's a no trade right now. Nas, I don't really mess around with that. So our main focus right now is gonna be on GBP USD. So GBP USD is the one that we're gonna be focusing on today. This is the boring part, man, where you gotta sit and wait. All right. So 4 hour. Honestly, I want my stop below this new 4 hour candle. So this new 4 hour candle is creating a fair value gap. I'm not trying to be in this trade until price comes back to fill that um fair value gap. No. So I want my stops to be below it. So let's mark it out. And we're gonna be using round psychological number, so flat number. Boom. So grab it like this. Second or trade. The stops look a little bit different. GBP USD, it is 15 pip, my regular 1-to-1, but the percentage wise look different. 45 minute. I'm not planning on using a buy stop because we could break and then pull back. Why did this alert? I tell you, my trading view be plain, man. Let's see it's this time. Okay. So we're currently in the fair value gap. Remember I said it was a bullish fair value gap in to start with in the first place, so now we're respecting it. So honestly, from looking at the 4 hour time frame, I think I could go with taking that break of the high because it's gonna be a full-blown displacement. So on the 1 hour time frame, it looks promising. It looks promising. Like on the 1 hour, you can see we fail to sweep this low. Like we did a sell cycle right here. So this low we failed. We made it from that and we did my swing points that I normally look for within the market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have it. It's just that this buy is really a high buy. And where price is at right now, we could create a lower high and we could sell. So I'm not rushing to get into the trade. Just waiting for everything to line up correctly before executing. But we have our game plan. We know what we're looking for, and we know what we're gonna do. We know what we're going to do. We have a couple more minutes until New York session start. It's so hard to tell if um, this is good or not. If the YouTube is good or not, because on my end it's showing error, but I don't know if somebody else it is working or not. Let me try on my phone. If it shows that I'm live, it shows that I'm live. Okay, we know what we're looking for. We know. All right, it shows it's good. Just checking. Just checking. Ah. Oh my God. Gotta turn on the AC. Man. For the one person that's here, you could interact with me in the comments. Oh my God, who is at my door?
But the leak is all the way here.
Yeah, I know. Make sure.
So we're still playing around. Still playing around. Oh my god, I wasn't paying attention. Alright, I'm in. I'm in these buys. Going for a 1 to 5. So we have officially entered our first trade of 2026. We're in a little bit of drawdown. Where's my mouse? Come on. We're currently respecting a 50-minute bearish order block. Not order block, fair value gap. So let's put where my entry is at. Why should I let my Wi-Fi provider contact at this? Because it makes no sense for my internet to log in. Come on. Time. Like I got tricked. I really don't need. Because this is enough. Come on. Shit's like Look, you see how long it took to put when I'm not last stream, it makes no sense. When I'm last stream. Somebody have something what yeah, and it's buffering. I don't know what to do, man. I gotta figure it out. It's just my laptop and my TV is on the Wi-Fi, so it shouldn't be buffering. So I gotta call them to figure it out. The description, signal showing live X and OY approach. If you choose to execute with me, that's you. I'm not giving advice. This is a pure documentary purpose only. Data traffics to move forward, same problem. So once finished, for the person that is here, I'm gonna go over why I took this trade. So basically, this is a trade that I've been watching from last week Friday that I was interested in taking, but I didn't take it because it was Friday, and it's also was a good thing I didn't take it because I would have got stopped out the area that I was getting at. So it's some room for to do it. Don't rush. Let the market come to you. So that's what I did. Let's trade I'm going for 5. I'm sure that let's say it's not really 0.7. If you look at it, TP1 0. Yeah, 0.7%. So my theme pip and my final take profit, or should I say my bread and butter, is 75 pip. Something is wrong. Oh. This is where I wanted to see the break to enter. So this I could remove right now. And let's see. This is okay. Alright, now let me OBS to make sure you guys could see good. Well, you say StreamYard for your lives. What do you mean? I'm using OBS. OBS is connected to YouTube. Let me check my internet speed. Chart I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't mark the 6 and 7. So once price creates a new high, breaking that lower high, for me that's a change of character. And then I want to see price pull back, create a higher low, which is the fifth leg. Now once that fifth leg is complete, that's when I would look to enter a trade. For this particular pair, you could see the fifth leg create, we pull back and we didn't respect the fifth leg, we swept that fifth leg. So that was to me signal a sell side liquidity sweep. So now instead of using the 5 step, I would use the 7 step. So for the 7 step, we have low, lower high, lower low, high, higher low. I've streamed before, so I'm new. I don't know what to do. Let me ask ChatGPT. So I'm asking ChatGPT to see what I could do. So it says immediate fix while live, lower stream resolution. If you're using YouTube app or OBS, drop from. Okay, I'm gonna try to fix it. So first thing, lower the bit rate. So right now I'm trying to fix the stream. Alright, it says go to settings. Go to settings, bottom right. Lower output. Output. Output mode. Where is that? Alright, so video bit 2000. So this needs to lower. And output mode simple. Where is that? Apply audio recording stream. I'm working on it. Lower video resolution. So next thing is video. Base. This 128. I cannot. I did a little change. The rest I cannot do right now. Is it better? Did it make it any better? I guess not, because my screen is still moving slow. Well, I guess I won't get any viewer. because I personally don't know how to fix this. I gotta call the technicians.